I'm Adrienne O'Sullivan and I run Act Now Creative Training.
And I'm Déborah Reeve and I work for Admiral Insurance Group.
It's broadened my vision and most importantly it's brought it to life.
Yeah.
And I think that's really significant. And the other thing is the encouragement that I've had actually from Déborah as my business advisor. I had an idea, I had researched extensively, and then I didn't quite know how I was going to bring it to life. So Déborah came in, and the next thing I'm doing surveys, I'm doing pilots, podcasts, articles, marketing research, so many things. So that development has been massive. So thank you.
Brilliant. Well, thank you, because this placement really allowed me to develop my coaching skills, which is something I had always been interested in. It really allowed me to help her find the results that were in her, because I feel like as a coach, that's what you're supposed to do, you know, really empowering someone to find those answers within themselves. Learning how to be a great coach is something that definitely will be beneficial for my future career.
We've rebranded, we've realigned the courses that we're doing, and we've got a 3-year growth plan. And
which was not there.
Which was not there before.
At the start, but
and a vision for the next 15 years for Act Now Creative.
I think the impact for my organization will come from the fact that Aid came with all 15 years of experience, having researched all those interesting topics such as diversity, inclusion, rising leaders, women in the industry. And I mean, for me, who's working in HR, what an amazing resource. It's been just really, really interesting to address those topics with Adrienne.